This is a single strand of hair, ordinary, weightless, the kind of thing you'd brush off a sleeve without a second thought. And yet, from its root, a lab can read where your ancestors came from, who your relatives are, even traits you carry. All of that, written inside one cell. And it goes further than you'd think. That writing has a name, we call it DNA. Nearly every cell in your body holds a complete copy of it, tucked inside a tiny core called the nucleus, a full set of instructions for building and running a living thing. Think of it as the recipe book for you. Not a picture of you, but the directions. How to assemble a person step by step, kept safe inside the cell. And it's written in an alphabet of just 4 letters. Every living thing on Earth, oak, whale, bacterium, you, is spelled out in the same 4 letters. So what does that writing actually look like? Stretched out, DNA is a twisted ladder, the famous double helix, 2 long strands winding around each other, joined by rungs across the middle. Those 4 letters, A, T, C, and G, are the rungs, and they're fussy about their partners. A only ever pairs with T, and C only ever pairs with G. Every rung is one of those 2 pairings. That fussiness is the whole trick. Because A always finds T and C always finds G, one strand holds the exact template for the other. 2 copies of the message held back to back. Now read a stretch of those letters in order and something remarkable happens. A section of the code is called a gene, and each gene is a recipe for one protein, the tiny machines that do the work of the body. The cell copies DNA into a messenger, RNA, and reads RNA into protein. That flow, DNA to RNA to protein, is how the code becomes you. And when a cell divides, it unzips the ladder and copies each half. Usually it's flawless, but now and then a single letter is swapped. A mutation. Not good or bad by itself, just a change. The small edits that, across generations, make every living thing a little different. So the hair you'd have brushed away holds a 4-letter code, spun into a double helix, read into the proteins that build a body, and quietly rewritten, letter by letter, across the whole long history of life.